Welcome to the MindTickle Template Wizard. This short video will hold your hand and guide you to creating an awesome training for your new hires with a minimal effort. The MindTickle template has already done a lot of heavy weightlifting for you, so that your life becomes simpler, because in just a few hours, you can create a best-in-class training for the new hires of your company. The first step is to create a copy of the template shown on the page Courses Home. On the thumbnail of the template, click on the icon for list of choices. You can preview or copy. Clicking on preview allows you to see what is contained in the template. For now, let's just click on copy. In the pop-up, enter a name for your training. This can be as simple as new hire training, or something that better reflects your program. So, just enter a name and create the training. And don't worry, you can always change the name of the training very easily while you are working on creating a new one for your company. It's that simple. MindTickle copies the template to create your training, as you can see in the top left section of the page. To start working on the training right away, click on the link "Click here to visit course." If you need to work on your training later, you can always access it under drafts and start to edit it from the list of choices. This template is based on a fictitious company called Acme Corp in the hospitality industry. You just need to replace this content with that specific to your company throughout the template, and you are done. This is the edit mode of the training, where you will be making all the changes. Whatever work you do on this template, MindTickle saves it automatically. That's what the Saved button on the top right section of the page shows. The content and questions for this course are all based on best practices of what a new hire training should incorporate. Now, let's go into the details of the course. By clicking on the button Edit Theme, you can change the current backdrop for any of the courses, or the levels, to better reflect your company's onboarding program. You can upload a new image, or use one of those provided by MindTickle. The company overview currently has 6 topics. MindTickle experts have determined these 6 to be the most useful in explaining about the company to a new hire, as per best practices. If you want, you can add another topic by clicking on the button on the top left. Let's start building your training now. You can delete a topic that you do not want, or copy an existing one, if needed. To change the name of a topic, hold your mouse over the name, and click on the edit icon to the right of the name. In order to customize your training, you would need to change the content in each of the topics by editing these. Let's edit one of the topics, Welcome. On the Welcome topic page, the icons below the topic name shows that the template has 2 presentations. The numbered questions show that this topic already has 4 questions that you can evaluate the new hires with. All the content in the template is based on the best practices of what such a training should incorporate. This is a welcome note for the new hires from the CEO of Acme. If you have a welcome note from the CEO or any other executive of your company, remove this one using the button to the right, and upload the one from your company. To use the content provided by MindTickle, download this slide using the button on the bottom left, and just replace the content to reflect that of your company, such as company name, name of the CEO, his photograph and any other information. You can then upload it right back. Now let's click on question number 1. The template already has key questions that an onboarding program should have as per best practices of such a training. Not only that, MindTickle has carefully thought through the proper format for such a question, whether multiple choice, or true-false, or complete a statement. The formats are specifically chosen for best retention by new hires. This makes it very easy to create content that has a long recall by them. To the right, you can use the buttons to add more text for the users, as a Factopedia, or additional multimedia, or upload handouts that users can access. The template provides instructions at each point in the upper text box, and also provides sample content in the lower text box to make it easy for you to create your own. You can provide hints for questions in the space below the questions and also provide the new hires with lifelines. By checking the box, you can allow the new hire to skip a question if needed. You can continue building your training from here on. If you have clarifications, you can always refer to this video at any time. All the best.